It's no secret that Uber's current destination filter is broken and in need of desperate fixing. For me, it hasn't worked as advertised ever since the economy reopened after the pandemic. I don't understand what broke it. Perhaps the launch of upfront fares in 2022 led to a decline in its actual usage, allowing it to just fall by the wayside. But Uber's new destination mode appears to have fixed all of these problems. Hey, what's up, Rideshare world? Truck driver here. For whatever reason, Uber's destination filter doesn't care about where you want to go. It's almost as if when using destination filter, Uber's algorithm reverts back to wanting to satisfy rider demand over anything else. In other words, whatever preference filters you set are completely ignored. And that's very frustrating. And at best, destination filter kept you around the same area, never advancing you to the actual destination that you set. And at worst, it sends you in the complete opposite direction. What a joke. This made sense immediately following the pandemic, as I just thought it was broken because there wasn't enough drivers to fill the oversupply of demand at the time. Well, fast forward a few years now, and we all know that isn't the case any longer because driver oversaturation is in every market. So then why is it still having issues all these years later after the pandemic? Either way, destination mode is here to hopefully fix these problems. Now, a lot of drivers out there are probably thinking, why do I need destination mode when I have upfront fares? True, valid point. You could still sit there and just really cherry pick your way all the way to the exact ride you want into the exact destination that you want to go. And there's nothing wrong with that. But for other drivers that want Uber to filter out any unwanted trips, essentially letting the algorithm do the work, destination mode is for you. And there are 2 route options available for you to work that best fits your schedule. So, choose a faster or flexible route options towards your destination while earning money along the way. A faster route will get you there quicker, but with fewer chances for trips. And a flexible route will give you more trip choices while taking longer to get there. In other words, a faster route may get you there quicker, but with less trip options. And I'm assuming this also means at a discounted fare rate too, because you can only decline or cancel 3 trips before getting kicked off of the destination mode. So don't think Uber is going to turn on the jets here and give you any boost in pay. Your want and need most likely comes at a discounted fare rate, just like Lyft's priority mode. But only time will tell with this, and these are just my opinions. And a more flexible route allows greater options and more choices for trips, but still only allowing 4 totaled, canceled, or declined trips before getting ejected from the destination mode. And I think the same rules would apply here with reduced driver fare rate. And if you happen to get kicked off a destination mode because of declining or canceling too many trips, it would also count as one of your 2 daily uses of destination mode. Now, getting back to why anyone would use destination mode when you have upfront fares, well, to answer that question, we'll have to go back in time several years to when Uber's destination filter actually worked. I once accepted a trip from Philly all the way up to northern New Jersey, and instead of deadheading the miles back to Philly, I set the destination filter to head back. Several hours and dozens of trips later, I was back in Philly in time for the Saturday evening rush. The algorithm did all the work for me, so no thinking, just driving. And if I wanted a trip to and from the Delaware beaches during the summer months to avoid any dead miles, destination filters used to help me find trips to my destination so that I could earn money along the way. And this is how destination filters are supposed to work. So hopefully Uber has fixed these issues with their new destination mode. I'll be cheering for it. What are your thoughts? Will you give destination mode a try? And if so, what are some ways that you find this tool useful in your market? Please comment below. And find out by clicking on this next video right here. More information about Uber's new destination mode, where Chris and Sergio discuss this topic more in depth on their recent Show Me the Money Club live stream.